Good morning, my friends. We have a Russell Hobbs toaster that I have a problem. It is one of those double ones, and the complaint is both of these mechanisms will not stay at the bottom, and it tripped the power as well. So something common must be fault between the two, because both don't want to stay down, because it's a magnetic, as far as I know, it's a magnetic kind of mechanism that hold it there. I might be wrong, but the fact that both do it, there must be something wrong either with the switch or the magnetic parts, or a power issue or something. But let's dig in. Okay guys, and I believe the screws sit behind this rubber grommets or plugs on the feet. Okay guys, just to show you, we're going in, but I will bring you back. I just want to show you, I managed to get it open, so I want to lift this more out and bring you back, guys. Okay my friends, I've got it open so far, but it's basically impossible to get this off. I think it is fused on there on some way, so I will break it off. I just hold that with a plug spanner because I want to work there. So it's impossible. I need to remove this to get the cover off. But what I'm going to do is, you can see there's some contacts, magnetic contacts. You can see there in the center, and then here is two catches. There's one and there's one. So I'm going to clean that up and that side, and then I'll show you now on this side where it catch. Okay guys, this is the other side, and the parts that I've shown you now press against there. And I believe this is a magnet. It works with the magnetic field. That is what hold it on, and there's the spring. That's when it's on temperature, it will shoot it up. But you can see it is fairly dirty. And there is the other one in the center of the screen. So I'm going to clean this part up as well, and I think we must then test it. Okay guys, I've got it back on its place, but it's not secured with the screws, and it is plugged in, but it's off at the wall, and this two elements is on it's not 0, but it show 1. So let's put it on the wall and see if the light or the electricity trip. If not, we will take one by one and put it, say, on 2, and then press it down and see if it will stay down and or the electricity trip. And I used carburetor cleaner to clean all the contacts and everything, PC boards. And that's about 3/4 of an hour back. So hopefully there's no cleaner inside still. Otherwise we might see one big fire. So let's hope. And I'm going to put it on the wall. Let's hope. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's on the wall. Let's first put it on 2, and let's take 1 down. It stay. That's a good thing. And it becomes hot. Let's leave it there. Let's take this one to 2. And it stay. and it becomes hot. Okay, let's see if it will trip later on, or I must switch it off and bring 2 slices of bread. It stays on. I think this one is also a setting, it's not 0. So let's see if it will jump back. So far so good. One is down. That's really good news. Okay, to keep this video short, I will pause you, and there it is. There it is. Okay guys, it's off now. Let me bring 2 slices of bread. Okay, there's 2 slices of bread. Let's put this one on, let's put it on 4. And that one. And let's see what happened. Okay guys, I'll bring you back. Okay guys, it's about, I would say, 45 seconds. Let's, you can forward if you want to. I'm going to hold it and see when it pop out. Sometimes stuff only needs a clean up. I won't say it is a win yet, but sometimes stuff just needs a clean up, and so on, and it's fine again. And a lot of people will just throw the thing away, and then there's more life in it back still. So this is now good news so far. I hope 4 will make it a little nice and brown toast. I'm not sure, but we will see. It seems so. Seems the bread is a little bit brownish. One is up. And I believe between the two, 4 on the setting 4 or 3 or 5 or 6 or whatever, they will act differently. Okay, this one is up. Okay, let's look at the bread. Very nice and toasty. And that one a little bit more, but that's fine. Okay guys, I think this is a win. I'm going to put it back together with the screws and give it a final test. Okay guys, back together, and I'm going to take one bread. I ate the other one. Let's throw it in, and I'm going to, for gold now, I'm going to put it on 6 and see how the bread comes out and if it still works. And then we will take that same slice and put it on this side. Okay, I'll bring it back guys. Okay, and now the difference is also only one work and that one not. Okay guys, it popped, but it is charcoal now. So I'll bring a new slice for that side. Okay, new slice go in and on 6 and down. I'll bring you back guys. Okay, it's out good. Out guys. It's a little bit hot. I'll bring you back. And there is it guys. I think this was a success. So from my side, thanks for watching, and see you on the next project, my friends. Bye bye.